Let me be real with you for a second. In 2026, making a good thumbnail is not about being good at Photoshop. It's not about crazy effects. It's not about glowing text. And it's definitely not about copying Mr. Beast. It's about strategy. And most creators completely ignore this. They design thumbnails that look cool, but don't make people click. And that's the difference. Because your thumbnail has only one job. Not to impress designers, not to look aesthetic, but to stop the scroll. That's it. Nothing else matters if it doesn't stop the scroll. Here's what changed. Attention spans are lower than ever, competition is insane, and viewers decide in less than a second if your video is worth it. So clarity wins. If your thumbnail is confusing, you lose. If it has 5 elements fighting for attention, you lose. If I blur your thumbnail and I can't understand the idea, you lose. In 2026, simple beats complex, every time. Now let me give you the 3 things that actually make a thumbnail work. First, clear idea. Your thumbnail should communicate one idea. Not 3, not 5. 1. If your video is about making money with YouTube automation, the thumbnail should show the outcome, the mistake, or the emotion, not everything at once. One idea, one focus point. That's it. Second, emotion. People don't click because something looks nice. They click because they feel something. Curiosity, shock, fear, desire, status. Ask yourself, what is the emotion here? If the answer is none, that's why your CTR is low. A good thumbnail creates tension. It makes the brain uncomfortable not knowing the full story. That's what drives the click. Third, contrast and hierarchy. Your viewer should know exactly where to look in 0.3 seconds. Big subject, strong contrast, clear background. Zoom your thumbnail out really small. If it disappears, it's weak. If the subject is still obvious, you're on the right track. Minimal doesn't mean boring. Minimal means intentional. Now here's something most designers don't understand. Your thumbnail is not a poster. It's part of a system. Thumbnail plus title equals one curiosity loop. If your title says, I tried YouTube automation for 30 days, your thumbnail should not repeat the same words. It should add tension. Maybe it says, big mistake. Now the brain connects both. That's when the click happens. That's strategy. Design without strategy is decoration. Design with psychology is leverage. And here's the final truth. The best thumbnails in 2026 don't look over-designed. They look obvious. They look clean. They look intentional. They look like there's a story behind them. So next time you design, don't ask, does this look good? Ask, would I click this if I didn't know who made it? If the answer is no, redesign it. Because in 2026, strategy beats skill every single time. If this gave you one thing to think about, that's enough.